Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Natalie. Today I have for you finally an organizing video. I have been needing to declutter and organize my closet for the longest now, and around this time is when I like to major declutter and clean my closet. I basically like to switch around my closet and make it more practical for the current season. So I normally do a major cleanse and cleaning out session for my closet around the springtime going into summer, and then for the fall and winter. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. A major warning, my closet is a current hot mess, especially with Nathalie. Well, I know I'm launching my own business. I haven't had time to properly organize and declutter and keep up with it. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video and show you guys the before, the after, and a little tour at the end. All right, so here is the current situation with the closet. So I have everything all over the place, as you can see, very messy, especially down here. I have just been piling boxes and kind of just traveling and leaving my luggages there. So I'm going to get everything out of the way and start decluttering. So starting with my shoes, I am going to be getting everything out of the shelf since I'm going to be moving my summer shoes to the other side and then my winter shoes straight forward when you walk into the closet. And as I do this, I am also going to be decluttering and basically deciding what I want to keep and what I want to donate or get rid of, and of course cleaning the surface. Up next with my perfumes, I'm going to get everything out of the way, clean the surface, and then organize everything by color and just basically make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Alright, moving on to clothes. Like I've mentioned before on previous cleaning out videos, I personally like to take everything out of the closet so I can start fresh and go per piece and basically just analyze the item. Notice if I used it before for the last like 3 months or for the season, and if I haven't, am I really going to use it for the next one? And that's how I basically decide if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to use it again. So I like making 3 different piles, one for keeping, one for donating either to give to friends and family or donations, and another one for selling. So that's what I'm doing right now, just basically analyzing all of the items and also color coordinating everything. Since I already clear out an area of the closet, I am going to just leave my sweaters in here and declutter as I go, and then move the things that I'm going to keep to the side that I want of the closet. I already decluttered my sweaters for the springtime, but I'm going to do it again and just decide if I'm really going to be using these pieces for this season. Now just organizing everything again back into my closet that I decluttered on my bed by color. Alright, so for my jeans, you guys, this is going to be the hardest part for me. I have so many jeans and I personally love all of my jeans, but I know for a fact some of these don't fit anymore, or I am just not going to use it. So I really have to downsize and declutter everything. These are all of the ones that I'm going to be getting rid of and selling on Poshmark if you guys are interested, but I ended up with just 3 little piles, which is great. And now I'm going to organize some extra yarn that I have on this part of my closet. Alright, so here is what the closet is currently looking like. A lot more organized. I can finally see the floor, but starting on this side, I switched it to my winter clothes. So I have my leather jackets, jean jackets, and then I try to color coordinate the blazers, cardigans. We have pants here and some coats. And then above, I major decluttered my jeans. I literally had, I think, like 20 pairs of long jeans and a few more. I believe I had 2 more stacks of jeans and now I only have 3. And then above, I kept it the same, just my tote and then some other bags, my Chanel, and these boxes, which honestly, let me know in the comments below if I should get rid of these boxes. So this one is YSL, the one behind it is Gucci, and then I have my Chanel. But realistically speaking, I feel like this is such a waste of space. I would never get rid of my Chanel box, that's for sure, but I don't know if I should keep the other 2. Anyways, that's what's on this side. And then right under here, I have some hats, like summer hats, which I actually ended up getting some stick-on knobs to put here. So if I get it before I upload this video, I'll insert what it looks like currently, but I'm thinking of putting some here and maybe some behind the door or in this corner. We shall see. For extra storage, I have 3 mom dressers, as you guys can see. So I have my bathing suits here. These are just belts and bags, which I actually need to organize. Some sandals for the summer, and then these 2 underneath are empty because I normally just fill it up with Nat the Label stuff. And then up here I have my sweatpants and hoodies and stuff. Moving on to this side of the closet, I finally decluttered and organized my perfume collection. I will be making my perfume favorites video really soon. So I try to color coordinate it by lighter to gold tones, red tones, and then darker and miscellaneous because I didn't have space or like room up here to organize it. But yeah, that's what these look like. I will be linking the acrylic shelves. They're from Amazon. And then I'll also link my hangers, the mom dressers. I'll link everything that you guys see here that you need links to. Let me know in the comments below in case I don't have it in the description, but make sure to check that first. Then straight across, I have all of my sweaters, starting with this red one, which I honestly don't want to get rid of. And then some hoodies here, and I try to color coordinate as much as I can because it's just hard. And the best part of it all, I now have some more empty hangers because, you know, I'm definitely going to be buying more sweaters for the fall and winter. Here I have some dresses, like summer-ish dresses, blacks, grays, and whites. And then above I have my boots, which I downsize insanely. I only have these boots right now because I know for a fact I'm going to get more boots. But yeah, those are the only ones I have. And then I needed more space for my yarn, so I decided to organize it above. Then on this side, I have my summer shoes and sneakers. That's what that looks like. I also declutter it like crazy. I will be selling a few pieces on Poshmark, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I will be linking it down below if I already have it. And then I have more coats here, my blacks, a green one back there, and then grays and whites on this side. Down here I actually had piles of clothes. I don't know if you guys remember that. And I finally cleared it all out and decluttered and make sure to pick out what I want to put on Poshmark. And then I have my luggage. I don't know if you can see right there. A box here with my memories. And then lastly, on this side of the closet, I have all of my summer clothes. So dresses, tops, blazers, anything summer related is on this corner. I also decluttered it like crazy. And below it is my mom dresser with my like underwear, PJs. These organizers I will be linking down below. It's from IKEA. And then my workout clothes underneath. But that's pretty much my closet at the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour and organization video. Let me know in the comments below which other videos you would like to see next. Don't forget to check out any of the links. But that was pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's organizing, decluttering closet video. Let me know in the comments below which other videos you would like to see next. Don't forget to check out my Poshmark if you guys want to check out any of the pieces that I listed there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye! Thank you.